Welcome back, everyone. This is Josephine, your Bisaya teacher.
And I'm Renald, your learner and friendly practice partner.
Nice to have you again. In our last episode, we talked about greetings and introductions. Today, we'll move a little deeper. We'll learn how Bisayans ask simple, everyday questions.
Like, what's that? Where are you going? How much? Those kinds of things, right?
Exactly. We'll compare how Americans say it and how Bisayans say it. You'll notice Bisayans like it short, simple, and direct. Americans, on the other hand, often add polite or soft words.
Oh yeah. Americans say things like, could you please tell me where? And Bisayans just go straight like, Asaka.
Yes, that's exactly what we'll explore today. Part 1. Where questions. Let's start with a question, where? In English, you might say, where are you? Where are you going? In Bisaya, we say, Asaka. Where are you? Asaka padulong. Where are you going?
Asaka. Asaka padulong.
Great! Let's slow that down. Asa means where. Ka means you. So literally, where you. No are, no going. But it still makes sense in Bisaya because verbs work differently. Now for asaka padulong. Padulong means going toward. So that one means where are you going? Let's practice together, everyone. Listening, repeat slowly after us. Asaka.
Asaka.
Asaka padulong.
Asaka padulong.
One more time. Asaka.
Asaka.
Asaka padulong.
Asaka padulong. So, Josephine, how do I answer that?
Great question. If someone asks you asaka, you can answer with sa balay, at home, sa trabaho, at work, sa mall, at the mall.
So, just sa and then the place?
Yes, exactly. Sa means at or to. Let's try that. I'll ask you, asaka padulong.
Sa trabaho.
Nice. Now your turn. You ask me, asaka padulong.
Asaka padulong.
Sa mall. Maybe I'll buy milk tea.
Classic teacher answer.
Part 2. What questions? Next, let's learn about the question what. In Bisaya, that's unsa. So, what is that? Is unsa na.
Unsa na.
Perfect. Na means that. So it's literally what that. In English, that sounds incomplete, but in Bisaya, it's totally fine. We don't need is. Let's all practice. Unsa na.
Unsa na.
Now, if you're pointing to something far away, you can also say, unsa to. What's that over there? Say it again. Unsa to.
Unsa to.
So, na is for something near, and to is for something far.
Yes, that's right.
Na means near, to means far. Try answering this one. I'll ask, unsa na?
Libro.
Exactly. Book, that's libro. Now, let's make it complete. Libro na, that's a book. Part 3. Who questions? Now, let's learn how to say who in Bisaya. We say, kinsa. So, who is that? Kinsa na.
Kinsa na.
Nice. And if you want to be polite, you can add man. It makes the question sound softer. So you say, kinsa man ka. It doesn't change the meaning, it just sounds more natural. Let's say that slowly. Kin, sa, man, ka.
Kinsa man ka.
So if I meet someone new, can I just say, kinsa ka? You can, but it might sound a bit too direct. So better to use unsa imong nagalan, which we learned before. What's your name? But kinsa ka is okay if you're in a casual or playful mood. Part 4. When and why questions. Now we go to two common question words, when and why. When in Bisaya is kanusa. So, when will you go? Kanusa ka muadto.
Kanusa ka muadto.
Perfect. Kanusa means when. Ka means you. Muadto means will go. So the literal structure is when you go. Let's say it slowly. Ka nus a ka muadto.
Kanusa ka muadto.
Now for why, we say ngano. Why are you late? Ngano naulahi ka?
Nano nahulahi ka?
Excellent. Ngano means why, naulahi means late, and ka means you. In everyday Bisaya, you might hear it shortened even more. Ngano ka naulahi or even ngano ka, if the reason is obvious.
So, Bisayans really like short versions, huh?
Yes, Americans say, why are you late with complete words. Bisayans just go, ngano ka, still perfectly clear. Part 5. How questions. The question word how in Bisaya is giunsa. How did you do that? Giunsa nimo na.
Kilonsa nimo na.
Great job! Giunsa means how something was done. Nimo means you, the one who did it, and na means that. So literally, how you that. Let's say it slowly. Gi, un, sa, ni, mo, na.
Giunsa nimo na.
Now, if you want to say, how are you, you don't use giunsa. Instead, you say, kumusta ka. That's an exception we already learned.
Right. Kumusta ka is more like a greeting.
Exactly. And to say, how much is this, you say, tagpila ni.
Tagpila ni.
Good. Tagpila means how much per piece, and ni means this. If you're pointing to something far away, you say, tagpila na. So, ni for near, na for far, remember?
Got it.
All right, Renald, time to practice a small dialogue using the question words we learned.
Let's go.
Okay, I'll start. Asa ka padulong?
Samal,
Unsa imong paliton?
sapatos,
Kinsa imong kuyog?
si Ana,
Kanus amo moadto?
unya,
Nganong unya pa man?
busy pako,
Giunsa man nimo kagkabesi?
daghan trabaho.
Perfect. That's a full conversation full of questions and all simple. Now for our listeners, your turn to repeat after us slowly. Let's go step by step. Asa ka padulong?
Samal,
Unsa imong paliton?
sapatos,
Kinsa imong kuyog?
si Ana,
Kanus amo moadto?
unya,
Nanong unya paman?
busy pako,
Giunsa man nimo kagkabesi?
daghan trabaho.
Excellent practice. Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
All right, where, asa, what, unsa, who, kinsa, when, kanusa, why, nano, and how, giunsa.
And some full questions? Where are you? Asaka. What is that? Unsa na? Who are you? Kinsa ka? When will you go? Kanus-a ka mo adto? Why are you late? Ngano na ulahi ka? How did you do that? Giunsa nimo na? How much is this? Tagpilan ni.
Nice. And I like how Bisayan doesn't use too many helping words. Short, direct, easy to say.
Yes, and that's what makes it fun to learn. Just remember, pronunciation is key. Say it slowly and clearly. Even if you mix English and Bisaya, that's fine. Many locals do that all the time.
Like, asa ka going?
Yes, exactly. That's a common Bislish way people talk, and it's totally okay when you're learning. That's it for today's segment, Asking Simple Questions.
In our next episode, we'll go into everyday conversation differences. How Bisayans say things like, I'm okay, I'm busy, or no problem. You'll love that one. It's where the funny differences really show up.
Can't wait for that.
Same here. For now, keep practicing these question words and you'll sound more natural in no time.
See you in the next segment.
Magkita ta pohon!